So I'm just adding these three input types, just like this exactly, this one, and also I'm going to be adding this text area. So before this text area, we have a button like send message. I'm going to add the button also now. Opening and closing tag. Like again, we have send message, like type submit. We have type submit now. Okay, now first again we are going to add the CSS properties for the 7th section for commenting. 7th section, ends here. And just adding the CSS properties for form, and we have, like, I'm gonna add the width, width 100%, float left, background color is EAEC double E. And after this adding the background color, I'm going to add the height also now. Its heights, I'm just gonna be at the height 580 pixel, margin top 3%. After this, I'm just just completed the CSS properties in 7th section. Now I'm gonna add the, just remove this one dot form. We have form tag also now. So form tag, or like inside of form tag we have heading 2, heading 3, like heading 3, use the selector, heading 3, margin left, is 20%, margin top 8%, font size, I'm gonna be add the font size like 22 pixels. After this, we have input tag inside the 7th section. Paste it right this, form input, have like square brackets, and for this margin left 20%, and I'm gonna add the margin top also as well. After this, padding 7 pixel, width 20%. And what we have next? We have next is like form dot inp input 1, because I just add the, like here inside of this input text, like input type class inpt1. I'm just also copy this, because of if they do not create any issue. You can see this, the issue is right here. Square brackets and margin left 5%, and for same 7th section form, where we have this input type class with second number like 2, add the width 40 like 6% for just only testing purpose. If there is any margin, we can adjust that thing. And we have also the text area as well. So sorry, 7 section text area, and I'm going to be add the text area as well CSS properties. Float left width is I'm going to be add the for testing purpose 4.5%, margin left 20%, margin top 2%, width 20%, and at the end we have at the last, so like at the end we have button as well also. So I'm gonna be add the button CSS properties also now. Background color is cyan, and margin top 3%, margin left 20%. Padding, I'm gonna be add the right paddings for just only with the same CSS for every side, like left, right, top and bottom. For this now button, now for border radius I'm gonna be add the 10 pixel. Outline is gonna be like none. Save the file and went to into a browser to check out the result, what kind of result we have after deploying, or like just like after creating this section, this 7 section, what we have result, what kind of result like. Okay, so reload the page. Okay, problem with this, I'm gonna just add the BR tag to, just because of its if I'm gonna be add the margin top, so you can add BR, sorry, break tag, save the file, reload the page. You can see this BR tag, save the file, reload the page. It's not gonna be done more. So text area, I'm gonna change this columns like 50, rows gonna be like 4, save the file, reload the page. So you can see this, guys. Got it? But now what we have next, we have also like, just change this thing, sorry, reload the page. Reload the page again now. Don't need to this text area. Width is gonna be like on the 47%. I'm gonna just increase this width of text area to 60% to check out the result. Reload the page. What's the issue? Exactly issue. What kind of problem we have into this text area? Now save the file, reload the page again. So you can see this, guys. It exactly look like this. Width is gonna be look like this. And I'm just also having the height for this like text area. I'm gonna add 30% height to check out result. After when we are going to height, it look like this. Okay, so just add one more br tag. If I'm gonna be add the one more br tag, reload the page. It look like not working. It's not working. So reduce the height 20%. Save the file. If not, I'm not gonna be add the height for this purpose. So you can just drag into this text area to write this place, like into subject, this thing. So we have been completed this section. Now after this, contact us. Margin left is too much far for, if I'm gonna be not add this margin left, like 1%, not gonna be add this margin left. Reload the page. It nearest to the contact. So after this, I'm going to create the last section, and that is called footer section. Footer section ends here. Footer section. Opening and closing last footer. Closing and opening tag. Inside this footer, add the heading, just only heading 3, and what we have, I'm gonna just copy this heading, copying this text, specific text. You can add anything into this heading now, like style, text align, center, color is white, and margin top is going to be the like 23 pixel. Okay, now I'm going to be adding the CSS properties for this last footer of or last section for this website. Footer section ends here. Dot width 100%, float left, background color black, and height 100 pixel. Reload the page. Went into our browser. Now this is a sample website. Reload the page, so you can see this easily now. So all this website is gonna be completed step by step. I'm also gonna be tell you how you can create this section, how you can create this section, how you can create this and this, like or services or work or experts or pricing table or contact us, and also the last photo one. I'm going to be tell you everything about this website, how you can create these all sections. This is our sample website. You can say this, guys. I'm going to just like create this as it is, just like we have website this one, and this is the website. Or just like I'm going to say, and this is the sample we have been developed by using HTML or CSS from the basic core things. You have to do this also now. It's very easy now. You can create this section. If you need all other videos related to this niche website, like which I told you about how you can create this section,